Roller coaster fans, we've got a brand new wooden roller coaster for you to check out. This one's called Leviathan, and it's coming to us from Gravity Group. You'll find it at SeaWorld Gold Coast in Australia. This is actually Australia's biggest ever wooden roller coaster, top speed nearly 50 miles an hour, standing 105 feet tall, and with nearly 3,300 feet of track. But there's one more really unique element to this ride that you'll want to check out. So let's enjoy the POV of Leviathan from SeaWorld Gold Coast, and then I'm going to show you what's so unique about this attraction. Okay, you ready for that fun additional element? The final car on each train on Leviathan faces backward. That's right, you can get a backward facing ride simply by picking the final car on each train. Now let's check out the backward facing POV for Leviathan at SeaWorld Gold Coast in Australia.